Wow. God is the master artist and craftsman of your life. So let him show you this beauty. Let him show you this beauty in this life. He is the master artist and craftsman. He knows exactly what your eyes shall dwell upon, what your eyes shall see and conceive. West Virginia, wow. I'm blessed to live so close to this beautiful state and have brothers and sisters that live here. At my brother and sister's house, Zach and Amanda, here in the middle of West Virginia, literally in the middle of the state. There's a mountain there. They literally own this mountain. That's nuts. You get more bang for your buck in West Virginia, just so you know. Also today, what I'm learning for this new year, what I learned from last year actually is, don't cast pearls before swines, like Jesus said in Matthew 7, verse 6. The swine also means dogs in another translation. Stop giving people your time that aren't listening to you. Quit giving them your valuable energy, your valuable resources, your valuable wisdom and truth from the Holy Spirit that's in you. Stop casting that before swine. Not everybody deserves the time of day you're giving them. And even if they are family, they don't always deserve the time of day if they're just trampling what you're giving them. There's just casually a mountain right behind me. That's pretty cool. So enjoy West Virginia here. West Virginia, it's insane. So God bless. Enjoy what God gives you this year and what he puts in front of you. And stop giving all your energy and time to people who aren't listening. And if they're not listening, stop worrying about it. Maybe God didn't put them in your life to be a vital piece in your life. Maybe he just put them there to be a learning lesson, you know, and to value your precious time and resources, to give it to the right people. So thanks, much love. God bless.